So today we're going to make microwave popcorn, and it's easy pop and salted because it's more healthier than sweet. So I cannot use the cooker because it's not good for this age. So I'll just use the microwave. So let me open it. So you see the plastic, but I already took my plastic off. And what you have to do, if you open it, then it says put it down like this in the microwave. So we gotta put it down or else it won't pop. Okay, let's put this inside at least for 4 minutes because last time I did for 3 and it did not pop, so I'll do it for 4 minutes. Okay, then after the I don't think that's 4 minutes. I think we have to wait. That's 3 minutes. Done. That's 3 minutes. I mean 4 minutes. 4 minutes should be done then quick. And I'm very excited. Okay. Let's wait. I don't know what these buttons are about. Yeah. This is the channel. Oh my god, you're trying to lock me from me. So we're going to talk about my popcorn while it just waits like that. So there's 3 bags inside. There's 3, but it's kind of cheap. I don't know how much pound it is, but it's like £1. I didn't buy it. My mom bought it. My mom actually bought it, not me. So because I can't go to the shops by myself at this age. So this is the back. You can read it when you pause the video. Step 1, it says remove the oh my god, it's popping. Remove the plastic outer wrap and place folded bag in the center of your microwave kernel. Set up your microwave for 700 for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I did for 4 minutes since it doesn't pop like that then, yeah. Or 800 W for 2 minutes. I did not listen to the instructions, so you can listen to the instructions, but I did not. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, it's very cautious. And do not, it says a do not. Let's see what this is. Do not leave your microwave untended at any time while cooking. That is very dangerous though. Listen and hear the noise popping sound. I literally hear it right now. Wait and listen to the popping sound until it slows up to 2 or 3 seconds apart. Please stop your microwave if your microwave starts to smoke or smell the burning. Immediately stop cooking. That is very dangerous though. It could blow on fire. At least it's not doing right now. Be very careful while removing the bag from the microwave. Yeah, it's very hot. Hold on the corners. Yep, I do that when opening. Do not reheat the kernels that are unpopped or reuse the bag. But you have to hold the corners of the bag. Like it's very dangerous if you don't. It's like, actually it's not dangerous, but it's just hot. It's just hot. It's getting a little hotter, but it's not burning. Yeah, again, easy. Hot. Okay. No, I don't really have. So, anyways, oh, 79 calories. No, I don't like that. So there's just 20 seconds and then it's over. Yeah, blah blah blah. But wait, what's this? I didn't even see this. Rich in flavor. Rich. Who's rich? This popcorn is rich? Yeah, I thought of rich popcorn. Hello, rich popcorn. Okay, never mind. So, no added flavors. Oh, it's done. Yay! Oh, this is how it should look. Oh, it's popping, so you shouldn't open it. Oh, yep. It's popping. If it's like that, if your popcorn is like that, that's correct. It's correct if it's like that. If it's small like this, then that means, if it's more like this, that means that the popcorn is not, this is the size, is not ready. Okay, let's open. I'm gonna get a bowl. Oh, actually, I don't need to. Open from here. Oh my god. It's so hot. It's so hot though. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yep, it's very hot when you put it for 4 minutes. But do not copy what I just did. Do put it for 3 minutes and 30 seconds or 2 minutes, because it just burned a little bit here. It just burned a little bit. The paper burned. Oh my god. That's so good. Oh no. That is wonderful. Okay. Let me try it. Very good. That's so good. Please like and subscribe if you want some popcorn. But actually not just popcorn. Please like and subscribe.